up, y'all? Today's video is gonna be kind of like a holy grail video, and I'm just gonna be sharing with you guys 5 products that I think you should splurge on. So first and foremost, this product right here, I don't care if you're a makeup beginner, if you're an expert, like whatever your level of makeup expertise is, this product is for you, no matter your skin tone. This product is for you, and y'all, coming in at number 1 is my tried and true, drum roll please, is my Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. Y'all, this setting powder, I have it on right now. It is just 10 out of 10. Like, it's everything you want. It's nicely milled. This one is the translucent one. They do have translucent honey, which is great for medium to dark skin tones, and then they also have a, I believe it's deep shade, and that shade is good for dark to deep skin tones. And I really love this powder because it does not leave flashback, which basically means like if you take a picture with a flash on, you won't look like Casper up under the eyes. So this right here, baby, get your hands on it. And yeah, I don't know what I was about to say, but yeah. Oh, my pores, yeah, is showing. So that's my first holy grail product, or first product. It is a holy grail product that I think you should splurge on. So number 2, I have my little list over here so I don't get out of order. Number 2 is it's not a product, it's actually a tool, and it is my NYX buffing foundation brush. This is 03, and this is like my favorite brush to apply makeup with. It is very dense, but it's not too dense, and so it's great for like pressing in your foundation. It's great for blending out your bronzer and contour. It's great for blending your entire face together. Like, this brush, spin the coin on it. Now I know y'all might say like, you're not splurging buying this if you're used to spending money on brushes, but for my people who are like a beginner series kind of person, like, and y'all trying to spend the minimum coin on your makeup, this runs about 15, 16, 17 dollars, something like that. And I think it's definitely worth the splurge. Next up, I had to choose my favorite from this brand, but maybe I'll share some more with you guys in upcoming splurge holy grail videos. If y'all are interested, please let me know in the comment section below after y'all watch this video if y'all want more videos like this. But this right here is one of my holy grail foundations that I really love, and it is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I'm in the shade Macao. I might be a little bit lighter because you can see this kind of matching my bronze shade right now, but I did put a little dot on the back of my hand, and I'll show y'all what it looks like. Matter of fact, I'll blend it out with my NYX brush. But this is really great for the combination skin girls, the girls who have oily skin. I don't think it's super drying for the people who have dry skin. I would just recommend using like a hydrating primer underneath, but look at the coverage and look how like blurred, soft matte. This is what my other hand looks like without anything on it, and I just think it looks so much more blurred, skin-like still, but matte. And I really like that foundation. So that's number 3. Number 4 and 5 are from the same brand. I've been working on my skincare routine, which I will be filming soon, and I'll get that to you guys. But these 2 products right here have really just been giving me the glow, as well as like getting my skin right. So this first one is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. Not only is it in this cute jar, come on somebody, packaging. Not only is it in this cute jar, but outside of aesthetics, like this toner is really like the bomb diggity. Like I'm almost halfway done with it already, but it's super thick. I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like. If you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you've seen this already, but it's kind of thick, and it gives you that glow, but over time using it, it actually like tightens your pores. Like my pores aren't as huge as they usually are. You see that sheen it gives off. Like, I definitely think this is a product that you should splurge on if you're like, you know, in Sephora and you want to try something new and you're like, what should I splurge on? This. Coming in at number 5 is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. And I know some people are funny about niacinamide, but for the most part, niacinamide helps swelling and all of that. And so this is for ultimate glow and brightening, and it has like, it gives you a glow. It's like that, it's not like liquidy, it's like a thick, kind of like a jelly. And when you rub it in, it gives you a glow, but it's good for all skin tones because it's not like tinted, it's like a universal glow. And as you can see, my hand is glowing even more than it did after that Pore Tight Toner. So this is really good. I always get compliments on my skin if I just do my skincare, and then after I wash my face, I put on my Pore Tight Toner and then some of the dewdrops. This combo right here, cheers, is 10 out of 10, and I always get compliments on my skin when I use those two together. So if you're looking to splurge, these are my top 5 products that I think you should splurge on. Laura Mercier, NARS foundation, NYX foundation brush, and my Glow Recipe Beauties right here. Those are my top 5 for today. If you guys are interested in more products that I think you should splurge on, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll gather some of my goodies and I will let y'all know what y'all should splurge on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love y'all so very much. Subscribe, join the gym squad, go in the comments and talk to everybody, and let us know what's your top 5. Like, what is something that you enjoyed that you should splurge on? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love y'all so very much, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. Bye guys. It's Slim Reshae.